Hi guys! So nandito kami sa lake. Ayan. Nakapayong lang ako kasi sobrang init. And si Luke naman is nandun lang. Dumadami na yung tao here. Hindi naman masyadong madami pero madami pa rin. Tapos ito si Liam naglalaro dyan. May hawak lang siyang ganyan. Ayan, hanap ako ng paraan paano ko iano itong payong na to para mapayungan kami.
Leader of the
Hi guys, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. So, ito yung dalawang to. Mag-o-open na sila ng present nila. Luke's got an Optimus Prime. And Liam. Liam, do you want to open your present? Open your present. Liam, open it.
Open it.
Open it. Go. Open. Yeah. Pinapa-open ko yung present. Wait lang.
I think he's not gonna open it.
Open it. Open it for him.
Wait, I open it.
Yeah,
for
is
him?
that okay? Yeah.
Okay. I want to make it a surprise, Liam. Oh.
Liam, look at your present.
Wizzy.
Look. Yay.
Yay. My baby's probably happy already.
Yeah. Mag-open muna na lang kami ng present.
Should I open this one for him?
Yeah, open that for him too.
What did you get?
You got a top.
Yay, a top.
A top.
You got white. White
Lots of
is
top.
so good, Mom.
Okay, your turn, Luke.
Mom. Okay.
He's eating his top.
Okay, I want to eat. I want to open this one.
Okay. So, nandito kami sa pool sa school. And Liam, Tim, and Luke are swimming. Ayan, ang Christmas day namin. After having breakfast, kasi kami lang, walang family here. Kaya, eto na lang yung gawain namin sa Christmas, magganito. Diba? Wala, as in, walang katao-tao. So, ito yung sa school ni Luke. Dito yung pool nila. Ayan siya. And syempre, hindi ako nagsiswim. And nandito lang ako sa side. Mag-antay halimbawa kung matapos si Liam na mag-swim. Kasi I don't think na matagal siya dyan na ipapaswim.
Oh, the temperature is dropping.
Yeah, I know. It's feeling cold.
Wow.
Medyo lumamig ng bigla ha. Lalagay nga ako ng sunfly repellent kasi parang dumadami niya naman ang mga insekto. Ayun, ito ang Christmas namin. Hi guys, so kakaluto ko lang and kanina gumawa ako ngayon for dinner namin ngayong Christmas. Salad siya.
Mom,
and
I know what your YouTube channel is
ito,
called.
tatapon. And ito na rin
Mom, I know what
is
your
ang aking tawag dyan, mais. Ito yung sa oven. So, gumawa ako ng mga veggies tapos chicken. Ayun, tapos corn. So, bale, ito yung dinner namin. And, mga 2 hours siguro kasi na-defrost yung yung manok. Ayan. Ito yung lalagay ko dun sa tawag nun, sa green thingy. Ayun. So, eto. Yung kakauwi ni Tim.
There's a woman here.